Welcome back to Yates American B244. Today I'm going to get a coat of primer on most of the parts, and I'll talk a little bit about my choice of paint. Here's all the stuff that I've got prime painted so far. The only thing really remaining is the table. I'll do that once I get the tops kind of polished out. That's the last of the big pieces being painted. With primer coat, that is. I have a top coat on most of the parts now. For painting these machines, I've been using Van Sickle tractor equipment and industrial enamel. They have a really good flat gray for the base coat. And for the top coat, they've got a variety of different colors. I use Ford dark gray, the gloss Ford dark gray, for the machines that I've been working on. I highly recommend that you use the clear hardener or catalyst that they have available from Van Sickle. It does reduce your open time a little bit, but it does make it cure faster, and it does cure harder and more durable.